welcome back to a part 2.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video.
What is up, guys? Sandy back with another better episode.
What's going
on, guys? Welcome back to another video.
That's so whack, bro.
That
was so basic. Like, you don't have no spice in this.
Yeah, bro. You don't gotta do too much.
Like, Sandy back with another banger. That's a banger.
Just get to the point.
Hey, Jose, you got an intro?
Let's eat.
This year we're gonna do pollo con tajadas. Since last year, y'all don't know what that is, right?
Damn, bro, chill. That was nowhere, bro.
You haven't even said your prayers yet, bro.
For real, bro.
Hey,
Come on, bro.
You wanna do prayers real quick?
Pásame el pollo, los frijoles charros.
Danny, since you're the closest to the camera, can you show them the plate so they could get a look at what it seems like? No thanks. I'm so far away from it.
Alright, bet we got
This is what we got. We got the pollo right
con
here.
mamadas.
Repollo.
He keeps missing.
Chimol. Yeah, you lost the funny juice, Sandy. Sorry, bro.
Alright, bro. No, let him know, Reyy. Talk to him. What we got
the, what is this, bro? Can y'all help me out?
Is that banana chip?
Oh, you're asking the wrong
This is
Mexican,
called
bro.
tajadas, basically plátano verde, alright? So this, pollo, repollo, and that's all it is. You gotta put the juice on top of it,
The
bro.
funny
You feel
juice.
me?
Really, bro?
Alright, can we start digging in, bro?
Hey, start digging in if you want, bro. Hey, the reason why Jayco's
soda.
last year we got uva, this is banana. Alright, y'all wanna try the drink real quick?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Sure, I wanna try the drink too, usually when
But I got a different taste. It's like creamy.
it's good or what? Hey, I'm sorry, bro. That's all everybody's getting just like that. Bro, these hoes were these hoes were $6.
Bro, you could have told me, bro.
Here, bro.
$6?
Nah, I don't blame you, man.
Hey, bro.
Nah, you're a real one, bro.
I got you.
You're a real one, right? I'll fuck with you.
Nah, come on, guys. We got 2 bottles, bro. Chill. Everybody's gonna get right.
Nah.
Alright, everybody's gonna
This
get right.
shit is insane.
Yo, what is this? Casamigos?
Really, bro, that's what you're thinking about right now, Casamigos.
Bro, like the
You're
little,
eating the drink, huh?
the little like,
Hey, don't look down, bro, please. Bro.
Chicken with his Reyy, bro. I'll kick it right now.
cheers.
Yo, Honduras. Yo, cheers to Honduras.
Cheers to
Cheers to
Honduras.
Honduras,
I know I've been making fun of Honduras a lot, but it's all jokes. We love Honduras.
This shit is bussin'.
Oh, wow.
Hey, this is good.
No, but this shit's good as fuck, huh? Hey, what would y'all rate the drink? What would you
I'm not
say?
gonna lie, it's a 8.5.
8.5? I'll give it a 10, bro.
I give it a 9, bro.
8.5, actually fire, I'm not gonna lie.
What would y'all rate this drink?
9.
Drink?
10, bro.
10.
A 2.
Smileys?
10, a 2?
Now the drink is ass, but the food is
Seriously, bro.
The loquelito?
Nah, you don't dip it in, bro.
Good as fuck.
Yeah, it's good, bro.
Wait, so this is like fried chicken?
Yeah.
Fried chicken, fried plantain.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite Honduran dish so far, bro.
Better than the baleadas, no?
You better make them sweet after, bro.
You gonna clean the restroom too.
Damn!
Bro went in there for 5 minutes. Made more damage than I have in the past 5 months, bro.
Look, I'm about to try this for the first
Shit
time.
smell like murder.
Alright, everybody look at Kevin.
Yeah, I'm about to try this. What was this called?
Plantain.
Nah, you gotta put juice in it, bro.
Oh, this?
Plátano frito.
Yeah.
No, dip it in this one.
Oh, this one.
Bro, don't dip it in that.
Is that like a tradition?
No,
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's like a, bro.
It's a
They're
tradition,
the
bro.
Hungarians, bro.
Yeah,
Hey, bro, it's a Honduran tradition, bro.
Yeah, that's the tradition, so you know I gotta.
No, bro, go for it. Oh, you already got it?
Nah, it's good, it's good. I fuck with this.
like a little
The
chip.
tajada? Hey, bro, the food's not cooking anyway. I was like, damn, bro.
Alright, bro.
Hey, y'all smacked though, huh?
I'm just appreciating your culture right now.
Hey, what part of the fucking chicken is this, bro? Is it like
think-
the whole?
It's a pierna.
It's up there now, bro.
Serious question, bro. What animal would y'all be like, nah, I'm not eating that?
Probably a T-Rex or some shit.
What? Honestly, I didn't get the question, bro. What?
Bro, that's the best response you could have given, Jose. That's a very valid response, bro.
He said.
I'll take it.
He said what animal that wouldn't eat. What is that animal?
Oh, you wouldn't eat. That's what you said?
Yeah.
Nah, but you wouldn't kiss.
Bro, what?
What animal?
Yo,
Basically the most random stuff ever, bro.
Basically, bro, like where do you draw the line? You feel me? Because we eat chicken, we eat goat, we eat intestines.
Oh, that's a very valid argument you stated there, bro. I've thought of that before. Like, why?
Bro, come on, bro.
Like, why is eating cow okay? But eating a dog is fucked up.
Yeah, that's
That's
why.
not true though.
Hey, that is actually a good debate.
It's because, bro,
Not gonna lie.
dogs are.
Are cute. Huh?
No, it's because we kept them as pets. Somewhere in time, somebody decided, hey, these are cuter than these. Let's keep
Kill these
as pets,
motherfuckers.
and let's kill the other ones that need them. Or maybe, bro, you know what it was? I'm pretty sure they ate both, and they just didn't fuck with the way one of them tasted. They
Alright,
fucked with the
but
other
say
better.
like,
That's for real though.
say Rey was messed up right now, right? He threw like a little bit of dog meat there, but you liked it. Would you keep eating it?
Fuck no.
But if you like it,
because in my head, like
Like it's like a 10 out
bro,
of 10.
y'all don't know about psychology, bro. I took a psychology class, bro, and look, listen up.
Hey, bro, tell him about money, bro.
Bro, let me tell you about money, bro.
Once I'm making my money, make more money, that more money is gonna make more money. And then that more money is gonna make more money.
Basically, like once you find out what it is, I'm gonna be disgusted. Like that's gonna be my response. I'm gonna be
How
disgusted.
are you not disgusted?
And I'm not gonna like it anymore. Like my brain is gonna connect to my fucking esophagus.
Bro.
It's gonna make me not like it.
That's why I'm vegan.
Hey, bro, you're vegan, bro?
You're a vegan, bro.
Oh, bro, you just spit everywhere.
No, I didn't, bro. Shut up. You have to say it that loud, bro. Really, bro.
Look, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. These are fucking insane. These are like
Insane,
like, these are good
Oh,
as
you got
fuck.
budget too, bro.
These are insane, bro.
We're eating a banana. Damn, he just had to make you fun of you, bro. I don't know why.
I'm not making fun of
He's
that.
been on to you the whole video, bro.
Inside joke.
Bro, this is an outside joke, bro.
God damn, this is good, bro.
Hey, I'm telling you, if y'all haven't tried pollo house, you have to, bro.
I'm telling you, if y'all haven't tried plátanos, these are fucking fire, bro.
Plátanos, bro.
Well, how come y'all never put me on, bro? I've known y'all for fucking years.
They should ask, bro.
Yeah, bro, Honduran army's gonna come after you, bro.
I'm chicken.
There's only like 50 of us, bro.
What?
Bro, how you gonna diss our own country, bro?
There's only like 50 of us.
It's true,
You
bro.
just dissed our own
Like if you come from Mexico, like you get like 5,000 comments.
Nah.
If you diss Honduras, you get.
Damn, so the only reason
Nobody
you don't-
cares,
the only
huh?
reason you're not dissing Mexico is because they'll come after you, bro. That's
Yeah, bro,
crazy.
they'll cancel you.
Hey.
So if they didn't cancel you.
You would.
Yeah.
I deport all of y'all.
Hell nah.
Too far, bro.
Cancel Jayco down below. I'm gonna need 1,000 comments. Hey, and make sure to subscribe to him.
You know what? I'm done. I'm done.
Bro, ain't nobody believe that, bro.
Bro,
That was so bad acting, bro.
you know what, guys?
I'm done, guys.
Bro, you should have just quit while we were up top,
Bro,
bro.
you should've just quit when we were on top, bro.
Fuck, bro.
I don't know how y'all do it, bro.
How y'all be asking like that, bro? That's
I'm
crazy.
not gonna lie, bro. This shit good as fuck.
Nah, this shit is insane. Like, actually,
This soda good as fuck, man.
like all the Honduran ladies, like if y'all know how to cook this, hit my DMs.
Yeah, bro. You should've bought like 5 of them hoes. No cap.
Nah, these always $6, bro. Like,
For real?
damn, $6 for this little ass bottle.
Nah, yeah.
Bro, you knew it was gonna be. I mean,
I thought it was gonna be like $3, bro.
you should have let me know and I would have bought them, bro. That would be that hello.
Yeah, fine. I'll let you know next time.
You got that over here, light sipping, huh?
Nice.
Like, bro,
Hello, dry ass chicken, no ice.
Hey, you really like that?
You're being strategic about the way you drink it.
You got like little stitching in there.
bro, I gotta appreciate this, cause I don't have much. Hey, bro, you know sometimes people get it and some people don't. Look, bro, bro, look. There's 4 coolie people, then there's 1 coolie people, bro.
There is 4 good people.
Just to let you know.
Can I explain that to them or no? Is that too
What
long?
Oh,
did you say? Say it again.
So look.
Explain it, bro. I'm lost, bro.
Look.
Okay, I'm gonna let Sandy explain it.
No, I'm gonna let Sandy explain it, but I'll repeat what I said.
No, explain it though. Explain it.
Huh?
Explain it.
No, bro. It's,
It's too long, bro. It's too long. You get nervous.
too long. It's too long.
Yes,
bro.
it's nice, right?
Just say what you said.
Oh, there's 4 coolie people, then there's 1 coolie.
What do you mean by that, bro?
So basically, guys, what we mean by that.
Let Kevin explain it.
Like Kevin
Oh, yeah, we want Kevin.
Okay, okay. Go ahead, guys.
Bro.
But if y'all make fun of him, it's y'all's ass. Go ahead,
I'm
Kevin.
gonna go ahead and let Shladdy's face.
Alright, is it cool if I explain it?
Yeah,
We want to hear from you, though, bro.
Yeah, we do. Just try.
Yeah, just
bro.
What you gotta do, bro? Come on.
Bro, we'll delete this, bro.
Come on.
No,
bro.
you know what? If you know, you know, bro. You feel me?
Nah,
What if I wanna know, bro?
What if you don't know?
Can I talk or no?
No.
Bro, just say it, bro.
Hey, say it, bro.
There's 4 cooler people, and then there's 1 cooler people. The story about that is this.
Nah. Hey, sorry, bro. We're listening, bro.
Really, bro?
Bro, pay attention, bro.
My fault, bro.
Bro talking to himself.
I'm good, bro. Y'all go ahead and go to my channel. I'll have
our follower, bro.
I'll have the 4
Follower.
cooler people and 1 cooler people story over there on my next vlog.
Look, bro, just say the story for real.
Hey, say the story, bro. Come on, bro. Nah, that I was doing it. Here's a story, bro.
Well, you should have invited Fabio. He's Honduran.
Nah, bro, that's fucked up.
I'm sorry if I ever watching this, bro. I love you, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Alright, guys, I got a question. I asked from I Love Lalas. Who do you think will go to jail first for committing the stupidest thing? The stupidest thing.
Jose.
Jose.
What the fuck?
I was gonna say Kevin, bro.
Nah, Kevin's a little smarter than Jose.
Like, come on, bro. Kevin could have gone to jail last night, possibly. You feel me?
Nah, not even.
Tell him about last night.
You gonna tell him what happened last night, bro?
Basically, last night, we were at the club, right? And so I was drunk. I was faded in a bitch.
Like, you know how much a bitch be faded.
It was
What's
fake.
funny, Jayco?
No,
Nah, he's laughing at you, bro.
What's
Yeah,
funny,
he's
bro?
laughing at you.
Nah.
Jose was whispering some mess up stuff, bro.
Fuck nah, that's
So
fucked
aggressive.
up, bro. I thought we was
So
better.
blessed stuff? My fault.
Some blessed stuff.
That doesn't
Shout out
even make
Blessed.
sense, bro.
Bro, that doesn't even make sense, bro.
Shout out Blessed and Alvaro, bro.
This fucking video is just us saying random shit.
That doesn't make sense,
And laughing at
bro.
ourselves.
Yo, can I buy these like separate? Like in a bag, like
Yeah, bro,
chips?
that's chips. Plantain chips.
Yeah, there is chips for that, actually, yeah.
Yo, look, this is the best shit.
Bro, just
Yeah.
dry out bananas.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Damn.
Y'all laughed at that, bro?
That's
Really?
fucked
No,
up. Yeah, we're gonna laugh at that, bro.
I got like. I got concerned for him, bro. And y'all laughed at him. That's
Nah, we both
That's how
did
you
that,
know you're
bro.
real.
Hey, laughter cures everything.
Damn, bro. That's crazy.
Nah, bro, at this point, anything anybody says, the whole group, this first reaction is just to like stare at him, bro, and not laugh. Y'all some bitches. Like, I'm scared to talk right now. Shit, none's gonna be a mukbang.
Nah, I have a question that said, are you guys still good at freestyling?
Jose, you been practicing? Bro?
Hey, yo, Jose, are you still good at freestyling?
They asked if he's good at freestyling.
As the leader of the group,
Jose's
Jose.
just a natural.
They asked if he's good at
That's the type
freestyling.
of juice that never runs away.
Jose is a natural.
Yeah.
That's that one time.
Kevin last night was wildin'.
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 Go ahead,
I be throwing on fits, I be styling.
Styling.
That breath be wildin'. No, for real.
Out of nowhere, bro was hella close to you too.
Bro, that's fucked up, bro.
It's fucked up, bro.
Yo, bro,
It's
can I have
crazy.
some of your banana?
Hell no, bro. Look, he has a lot, bro.
This messed up.
Bro,
Bro, this guy's stuff, bro. This is all I got, bro. The fuck
I'll
is
give
this,
you like
a shot, bro?
I'll put him
Give him a
in.
shot of banana.
I'll put him
Come on,
in,
bro.
I thought you said we had a whole nother bottle.
For real, what happened to
No, there was
that?
only two of them.
You gave Santi hella, bro.
Hey, fact.
Hell
He
yeah.
just got hella ice, that's why. Wildin'.
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 Come on, Jose.
Yeah, wildin'. I'm over here sitting, smiling.
Smiling.
He still got it. No, I said the breath wildin'. Camel.
Some of these bitches
Smiling.
be dick riding.
Riding.
I can't come up with shit, bro.
Come on, man. You letting people down right now.
Bro, they're hella like disappointed right now, bro. Like,
Exactly, bro.
you serious right now?
Are you serious right now, dude?
Don't worry about chat.
Are you serious? I'm gonna just stop, bro.
Rey, bro, you need to like cut your losses, bro. You feel me? You were already up top.
Wildin'. I thought y'all was gonna start.
Now you go vibe, Rey. You go vibe.
Hey, Jose, how about you say a word and we start from your side?
Yeah, let's get it.
Right. Braids.
Braids, bro.
Rey, bro, really?
All the words in the
Bro,
vocabulary.
let's talk about the elephant in the room, huh?
What does that mean?
Cause like it's right there, and we.
Really? He called you an elephant, bro. That's fucked up, bro. Out of all the animals, he could have said and shit.
Bro, it's the same.
It's a metaphor.
Oh, it's the same?
You don't know what that means?
Bro, it's a metaphor.
Hey, explain it then.
Hey, spell metaphor.
Come on, man. Y'all not even letting me. What the fuck?
Define metaphor, bro.
Spell it out or like.
Define it. Define it.
No, I'm gonna spell it. Metaphor. M-E-T-A. I forgot.
Bro, you know it.
Yeah, bro, it's a metaphor, bro. A lot of people say that. Like the elephant in the room means like something that everybody knows about in the room, but nobody's talking about.
Some people get it, some people don't.
Hey, so actually, let's go with the braids. Hey, you were in the
That's
town.
fucked up, bro.
I fucked up how you still going with it,
Yeah,
but
you still.
alright, let's get it. Braids.
Braids.
I'm so smart, I be playing charades.
Hey, go ahead, Jay.
Yeah, I got braids, but I don't care what y'all say.
You're so.
funny, bro.
Go ahead, Ray.
Bro, that rhyme.
Yo.
I haven't got no action in a minute. Damn, I can't wait to get laid.
That was hella long, bro. You're writing a whole essay, bro.
Bro, braids, laid.
Jayco's almost back at his apartment. How
Yo.
long that bitch was?
I'm craving some lays.
Give me a minute.
You brewing right now.
Give him a minute.
Go to Eminem.
Give him a minute. Give him a minute.
What you end off with?
Lace.
Lace.
Yeah.
Give me a minute, bro. Hey, come back to mine. Go ahead.
Go ahead, Shalon.
Nah, it's your turn, bro.
Oh, yeah, like, hey, skip, bro.
I'm gonna share my dome.
Just come up with another fucking word.
Just come up with a word, bro. Let's start from here, actually, bro. Can you say a word?
Nah, bro, you're not gonna let me say mine, bro? I've been all
Bro, let's shine.
Hey, spit
Can I
your
go?
line.
Can I go?
Yeah, spit your line.
Bro, what's your
Hey, let him
Alright, y'all ready? There's a five. Let me see.
Bruce Wayne verse?
Hey, let him go.
Bro bought one bottle for 5 people. Ray needs a raise.
Shit was ass.
That was longer than mine, bro. Bro thought he was about to do something. Bro, about 5 drinks for people. But I think he needs a raise. It's rhyme, bro.
Damn, you pulled the right move by saying
Hey, you know what? How
better
about
than that.
Okay, how
No, bro, chill, God. That shit was done.
about you beatbox instead and give us a beat?
Nah, bro, I was about to say.
You be the
Oh,
beat.
fuck.
You be the beat, woman.
Ready? Which one first?
Just be the beat, bro. Be the beat.
Just be a beat, bro.
You
Just
said
start.
beatbox?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, start over here.
Find the beat, bro. Find the
You
beat.
started.
Find the beat.
Find it.
That shit
It
lost.
has to be the same beat, like over and over, bro. You're like mixing it.
Hey,
Bro, it's a remix.
That is a remix,
Oh, go ahead, bro.
Hold on, 1, 2, 3, go.
Nah, it's on fire.
Chilling with the boys having a mukbang.
Damn, I drive a fucking Mustang. I gotta.
Save him.
The beat's so
What was the word?
Mukbang. Mustang.
Mustang.
I can't think.
He can't hang.
He's got no slang.
I got a boo-tang.
The beat gonna have to stop after that, bro.
Oh, motherfuckers asses, bro.
That's crazy,
Bro, that
bro.
was good, bro.
That was crazy. Look up, I'm embarrassed for you and shit, bro.
She's been looking at us the whole time. The only time she looked away was when you said that shit. She'd had him pull out her phone once, bro.
Crazy.
She's doing the phone tactic right now, bro.
That was
That's
crazy. Hey, let Jay redeem us, so start with the word.
1, 2, 3, go.
The fuck? What's the word? Any word? Hey, my name Jose, and I like to get money.
Money. You like to get money.
Yeah, just keep
Bro, not everything has to be about your girl. God damn, bro, seriously.
God, bro.
So,
Alright, give me one more time.
every line.
Give me one more time.
Third time's the
Nah.
Third time's the one, bro. Third time's the one. Alright. Hey, how's he? Start again,
Hey,
bro.
you do this
Please.
again? No.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. They call me Jose and I got blue Crocs.
He got blue Crocs, but he got a little.
Hey, Cox.
What?
Cox.
Cots?
Cox.
Cots?
Penises. Cox.
Cots. Cots. I like me some tater tots.
Tater tots. Tater tots.
Reyy so fucking trash at COD.
Okay. Cod. 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 We need a mop.
Hey, bro, hey.
Hey, I told you I was gonna redeem myself, man.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Alright, man, so we've been filming for a long time, so this might be the last question. Let's end it off on a good note.
Let's do it.
Bro, he's swearing my breast things.
You be talking right into my nose, bro.
Why you so close to me, bro? I got no choice. Nah, you all up on me right now, shit. Bro, look me in the eyes, bro. That's PC.
Ah, damn, he pressing you, bro.
Look me in the eyes, bro.
Little boy.
Yeah, that's
That's fucked up, bro.
crazy.
That's cock shaming, bro.
That is cock shaming.
That is cock
That
shaming,
is
bro.
cock
Good thing he has the smallest one in the group doesn't mean you have to make fun of it, bro.
That's fucked up,
That's
bro.
Some people have the nerve, bro.
See, at least I didn't expose you, bro. That's messed up.
Bro, that's crazy because they don't remember whenever we did the mukbang Jose and we told them, bro. If anything, they're being fake friends right now.
You see right now, dude.
Alright.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Are you serious right now, dude?
It's gonna get wicked.
Oh, wicked.
Okay?
Wicked.
It's gonna get wicked.
I like to play cricket. How about you lick it?
Lick it. I'ma whip it.
Whip it.
Yeah. Whip it.
Whip it.
I need to buy a Bad Bunny ticket.
Ticket.
Oh, my turn?
Yeah. Ticket.
You don't bring out the air, bro.
No, you saved me, bro. I had no idea what to say.
Ticket.
Alright, let's do serious questions. We've been fucking around too much. Are you where you thought you would be 5 years ago?
Say it again.
Man, bro, we answered that question.
Every
Every
single
single day, bro.
We do?
Yes, bro.
Are you though?
Oh, God.
Oh no. Oh, these questions are so bad.
Bro, we already talked for like 40 minutes,
Come
bro.
on with shit.
Bro, we answer this question every mukbang, bro.
Somebody had to say it.
Somebody has to say it,
Kevin.
I agree with you.
Look, bro, let me go through your shit on your Instagram. Go.
Hey, them Crocs fire.
Yo, appreciate you, my boy. You damn big.
Psych!
Damn.
Nah. Don't edit this out, bro. That's the real Jose, bro.
Hey, so what?
That's the real side of
Wait, hold on, bro. Don't put the vape in my head.
What?
Don't put the vape in my face, bro.
But let someone put a vape in my head, it's gonna get wicked.
Alright, bro. Next question. You know, comment and like the video.
Hey, y'all make sure to go to my channel if y'all.
Really, bro?
Bro, we're
We just
eating,
ate,
bro.
bro.
You farted really, bro.
Bro,
You're disgusting. Some things never
This
change.
motherfucker farted, bro.
Some things dead has never changed.
Man, bro, you want a space, bro. You got it now, bro.
Bro, let's
Another
ask a
bro.
question, bro.
That Kevin.
Bro, yeah, come on, bro. You know what? Let's go to Rey's DMs right now. Bro,
I can't trust that shit.
bro, I saw you.
What are you hiding, bro? What are you hiding from your boys, bro? What's in there that you can't tell your boys?
Bro, I took a little glimpse and it was nothing but baddies, bro. Hey, Jose, them Crocs fire, my boy.
Hey, come back though, Jose. I might as well the last question I got.
Get in here, Jose, bro.
Scooch.
Bitch, no.
Scooch.
Bro,
Bro, you don't
You're disgusting.
Hey, Jose, them Crocs fire, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Psych!
Goodness fucking gracious.
Oh god, alright. Last question for the video. Alright, y'all ready? What's one goal y'all got for the end of this year?
Hell nah, bro.
Bro,
We answered every
Mukbang.
I feel like we've answered every question that's actually out there.
No,
So,
bro.
you feel me?
That's impossible, bro.
No, for real.
We have.
Literally, physically. What are you doing, bro?
Bro, can I have my fucking
You should have got through his DMs, Brody.
I did. Oh, you don't want to know who I saw on there, bro.
Yo!
He was answering all of them, huh?
Not that.
Like the old days.
That's fucked up.
Hey, I have a
They're gonna
girlfriend.
come for me and Santea again.
I have a girlfriend.
Bro, they do come for us, bro, whenever we make fun of you, bro. I don't know.
Real boy.
Nah, y'all need to chill out with that because as a guy group, you feel me, there's banter.
No, it's
like,
not.
I love these guys.
There's not.
Like,
There's
whenever,
We're just boys playing around
yeah, right
with
now,
each other.
if
No.
anybody says anything about Rey, like, ever, like, they come for you. Like, I made, like, 2 jokes in the video,
Nah,
and you
bro.
guys thought that I hated him or something, bro.
You do, low key, bro.
Shut the fuck up, they're gonna believe you.
People, don't let him gaslight you and manipulate you.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie, you do, bro. Like, you be hella coming for it, Rey.
If he can gaslight Rey, imagine what
Yeah,
he
you
does to
honestly
you.
be coming for me a lot.
Alright, bro, well, I apologize if you think I come for you a lot, bro. My bad.
He's gaslighting y'all right now.
Bro, what do you want me to do, bro?
That's not what you said off camera, though, because you told him to man up.
Damn! Bro, they're gonna fucking think you're dead ass.
We are! You were like, bro, just man up, bro. Like, don't listen to comments, just man up.
I remember that so clearly, bro. I'm fucking never gonna be in the video.
Y'all never gonna see me on Rey's channel or Yellowhead's channel or Jose's channel or
Hey.
nobody's channel.
Have
I just be getting dogged in comments now when I make jokes.
Have I ever company? I come for you? Come for you?
He said, right? That's what he said. I've never come for you.
Come on, I mean, come with you.
That's exactly what you said.
Bro's pissed.
You serious right now? Bro, why do y'all think I said that, bro? Why would I come on you? Have I ever come on you, bro?
Stop stretching it,
Hey,
bro. Hey,
bro,
stop
these
stretching
bitches
it.
are lying, though. No, these bitches are lying. I promise you, they got zippers.
And they got zippers.
Bro, they bitches are lying, though. Where'd you get them?
Shut the fuck up.
What? I didn't compliment my boy?
Nah.
Bro, look. Hey, bro, this shirt is live as fuck, bro.
Thank you, bro.
You see, bro? Hey, bro, them
That's
shorts are
love,
live.
bro. That's
Hey,
love.
that shows our life, bro.
Let him show you love, bro. Let him show you love.
Y'all saw what he did to me right
Really, bro?
Nah.
Hey, bro, them shorts are live, bro.
Bro, shut the fuck up. You already said that.
Hey, that's crazy. In today's society, I can't compliment my boys. That's crazy.
That's the type.
Bro was about to get some juice. Hey, coming for your cup.
Nah, look. What I noticed is that Rey saved a little bit for
Really, bro?
I got ice, bro. Fuck on me. I got a lot of
Yeah, you
Share it,
get it in, kid. Yeah, the camera's about to die. Let's finish it.
Alright,
Alright, bro.
last sip of the night of banana.
Last sip, bro.
Cheers.
Cheers, my boy.
Alright, go Rey. It's about to die, bro. And they might corrupt the footage.
Oh, yeah, bro. Thanks.
Rey, go.
Alright, guys, thank you so much for joining me, guys. I appreciate y'all. It was a vibe tonight. I genuinely had fun with y'all.
Hey,
man.
Cam's links down below.
Hey, yeah. Links will be down below. Alright, thank y'all so much for being here. And we'll see y'all on the next one. Let us know if y'all want a part 3. I'll get more food for everybody, more drinks, more everything.
Hey, more drinks for that. More drinks.
Alright, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Exclamation mark on that. More drinks, please.
You look happy and healthy, not me, and you